I'm Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management, Babu Banarsidass University. Today, we are discussing about the terms of group. Everyone know about the group. What is a group? Group is basically two or more individuals interacting and interdependent who have come together to achieve particular objectives. Like an example, in an institution, any department is like a group. Here we are concerned only about the group system, this type of. So any group. So if we another person, we have to sit down together and do certain things for the organizational motives or mission. That is not normally a group. So for the particular things for the group, two or more is required. Single person cannot form a group. Right? Now, there are two types of groups. One is formal, second is informal. Formal, informal. Formal is self-comparative. If you have to go for any type of interview, you have to wear a formal dress. And if you are in the house or go some traditional things and you work out, anything to be there, that is to be the informal. कैसे भी चले जाइए. Formal is something decent, we have to belong to the society, whatever. So regarding the formal groups, a designated work group defined by the organization structure. Organization structure-based group. Structure-based group. It is basically a formal. Marketing, HR, operations, training, development, what are different groups are there in the institutions? This is like formal groups. And informal groups, when we sit together, दो लोगों से दोस्ती हो जाती है, हम किसी भी सब्जेक्ट पे किसी भी समय कैसा भी बात कर लेते हैं. So a group that is neither formally structured, now organization determined, appears in response to the need for social contact. Social contact. This type of. So the group forms on the social need, social affiliation, social promotion to be there. That is a informal group also. Now, besides this, these are the general groups, formal and informal. But there are certain other groups also. We should know about the things to be there. That is a command group. Command group. A group composed of the individual who report directly to a given manager. This is basically a command group in which there are certain persons to be there individually. They have to go different people. They have to report directly to the managers. Like that. Then the second group is task group. Task. First, second, third, fourth. A task group. Those working together to complete a job or a task. In certain times, this thing is to be come down in the institutions. Certain times, a lot of times daily. In the morning, manager got a task. He just given a risk to a person. Just complete the task. What he is to do? He has just accomplished 2 or 3 people sit together and complete that task accordingly. This is basically the task group. Then interest group. Interest group. Those working together to attain a specific objectives with which each is concerned. All of a sudden, कभी musical concert की बात आ गई, किसी musical programs की, organizations की. Then the manager asks, how many persons are interested for the musical layouts? Some person is saying, sir, I am tired of that, I am lost in this thing. So, whenever this type of interest group is to be there, in the each and every values is the same target is to be there. This is known as an interest group. Then, friendship group. Friendship. This is also a type of groups. Friendship group. Those brought together because they share one or more common characteristics. Like, if I am very much savvy about the laptop, I am very savvy about the laptop, mobiles or something, and one person is already savvy accordingly. Same nature, same characters. So we have to come close together and do the same process. Now, if friendship group comes down, a lot of time you can show down in the school, colleges, not in school, but mostly in the colleges, this type of friendship group comes down. So these are the generally, basically different types of groups which we have to show down. Besides this, but the main thing is to be the why people join the group. Any reason is to be there? Any specific things was there? If what is the why the people join the group is to be there? Like in human beings, everyone knows about the movie of some Nayak. जब जो उसका हीरो होता है उसको लोग मारते हैं और फिर वो कहता है कि नहीं, मैंने चाहा क्या था, एक छोटा सा घर, अपने माता पिता के साथ रहना, ये भी मुझे गवारा नहीं हुआ। देन जो उसमें मोटिवेटर्स था, ही टोल्ड कि अब तुम्हें ग्रुप में रहना पड़ेगा, गुच्छे में रहना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज यू कैन नॉट सर्वाइव। So in the particular human need in the group, we need certain security. If you want a security in the terms of mental, physical or sociological needs to be there, definitely the people should join the group. Without which they cannot survive in a society, although they cannot accomplish their goals to be there. Because everyone needs certain group people to be there. That's why from traditions, the marriage concept is to be there. Marriage is also a group formation because we are just discussing two or more people. In the marriage, 2 persons is to be involved in that way. Single admi, maybe becomes frustrated in later on, but the main thing is to be there. But generally, because science and arts, management is both the things. So whenever the probabilistic approach was there, we have to just think of there should be two things. So security, then status, what we are, we can just show down to the other neighbors to be. But then accordingly, we have to carry on. Then self-esteem. Self-esteem. My power, my position, my equipment should be approved. Everyone, the second person should encourage to me, by which I can just be carrying on. Now, next, affiliations. Why we are here? Why we are concerned with that? So affiliation. The others will be recognized. You know, I am affiliated with this institution, this, in this group, particular marketing HR. I am the HR manager to be there in so company. So other can be. So we can just show down this is the affiliations. Now the power. I am so. That's why the person want to be in the group. Because we are here to show down. Agar for the leader, there is a need of followers. If followers is not be there, then clear, nothing. No leader is to be there. अकेला आदमी अपने को चोभी समझ ले. तो become as a leader, become as a raja, become as an emperor, become as a prime minister, whatever, so president, whatever. They need certain people should be there. If the people is not be there, nothing can be possible in this. And the last is goal achievement. Goal achievement. Achievement. For the goal achievement, we cannot. I'm not denying the things everyone can do. Anything is to be there, but this is simply not possible. On the operation table, if doctor thinks that he can do everything, then the patient cannot be survived in the major surgery was there. Because the job related with the anesthesia are different, nursing is assist, things are different, other elements to be there. These are the simple things. So, even in a simple work, we need certain people is to be there. Preparation of a tea. I am only prepared the tea. No. Before preparation of the tea, I need the milk. I need certain condiments like that. But वो सामान हम तक आना भी चाहिए, हमको लाना भी है, कैसे भी. अगर वो बीच में जितनी पार्टीज है, if they are not involved, तो we cannot say them. Now, in that things, that's why the group is to be formed, group is to be affiliated with that group. So, particular for the group, this is the main consideration is to be there. We have to look after things. Then there are certain factors of group formations. That is, first is geographical. If we have to say, like ऐसी जगह पे पहुंच गए जहां पर कोई नहीं है हमें जानने वाला, हमें पहचानता नहीं है कोई, or we have to do the work there, then we need the person. We need certain affiliations to be there by which our moral booster should be taken place to be there. Then season, according to area, according to history, according to history. Then environmental and ecology. This is the general tendencies to be there. If the ecology factors, what the ecology is, and the environmental factors, intrinsic and extrinsic both, we need certain peoples by which we can superior things. Then politics, caste, creed, financial status, this time is to be very, very essential is to be there. Without which we cannot say down that this is the prime motive to be there. Now, how the group is to be formed? Group development. Group development. These are the 5-stage model. 5 stage. The first stage is, क्या होता है? Have you seen that? What is the first stage is to be there? Earlier, one is here, second is here, third one is here, fourth one is here, fifth one is here. That is like a pre-stage. Pre-stage. Group is not been started yet now. The stage 1, first stage. The first stage, that is forming. What we have to do in forming? इन सबको एक ग्रुप में कर दिया. Now they are in a group. Now they are in the groups. This is the stage of forming. Forming, in which they have to put on their groups और अपने stage पे पहुंच गए. So this is the first stage. Much uncertainty. रहेंगे कि नहीं रहेंगे? This is a different part of game. But here the group second is to be there. अब डिफरेंट टाइप के लोगों को आपने एक साथ ले आए. Then the stage 2, that is storming. Forming, storming. Conflicts arises. कोई this is अपने views, इनके different views can be come down this type. Otherwise this may everyone becomes a conflict. No one wants to live together. This is the storming session, like brainstorming. आपस में लड़ने लगेंगे. They have to put down. They are not accepting the norms to be there. Then become as the third stage, that is norming. धीमे when they understand कि now they will sit, they will live together. Now they should accept the thing because there is no option in that. That means अब लीडर वॉज देयर, पहले ही अपने पास सब एक नॉर्म के हिसाब से अपने को सेटल कर लेंगे. ईच एंड एवरी वन इज टू देयर. बट स्टिल देयर इज अ वन वे कम्युनिकेशन ओनली. वन वे फ्लो ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. इट इज नॉट बी नीडेड द ग्रुप इज टू बी देयर बिकॉज अभी सबको आपस में लिंक होना ही होगा. देन performing. Now everyone has to perform. Like we should become as a symbolized. Like what the process will be there? We should be changing the like 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this time. Everyone has to be coordinated, interlinked. Everyone will give the result. Then this type of that, this type of that. They have to attach with that. They have to attach with that. Like this type of activities can become. Everyone is to be associated. Everyone knows about the things, why they are in a group, why they are the things to be there. Because this is the prime motives to be there. Because performing activities, this is the fourth stage when the group is fully functional. सारे लड़ाई झगड़े दूर होके now we are ready for the functional group is to be there. Now fifth stage. Generally this fifth stage is never come down in usual process of the group development stage. That is adjourning. Because group is basically structured organization group. That this is the part, adjourn is the part of the team, because after finishing of the task, after achievement of the task, we have to adjourn. We have just divided because this is the final stage. But usually in the temporary groups, not in a team, in the temporary groups, careers by concerned with the wrapping up activities rather than performance. We have just finished all the things. We are adjourning, the stage was there. Then accordingly, we have to carry on. We have to adjourn, the stage was there. So up to this stage, forming, storming, norming, performing, adjourning stage to be there. Because we have discussed about this adjourning. Adjourning, we are telling about the temporary. Whatever the temporary group was there, they have to show down the thing. So whatever the temporary groups, this is basically an equilibrium model was given in that. In that, they have to show down the temporary groups go through transition between inertia and the activity. कभी कभी हमें काम करने के लिए हमें inertia चाहिए, हमें force चाहिए. So in that, there are certain temporary groups come down, they have to start the working, then the others to be followed. This to be there. So whatever the temporary groups formation is to be there, because there are certain actions which we used in our temporary groups, like setting group directions, जो शुरू में करते हैं. शुरू में हमने धक्का मार दिया, गाड़ी चलने लगी. Like कभी कभी आपकी कार जो है स्टार्ट नहीं होती, तो इन दैट कंडीशन क्या करते हैं, बैटरी डाउन है, 4-5 आदमी उतरते हैं, धक्का मारते हैं, जैसे स्टार्ट होती है बैटरी तुरंत हम लोग चढ़ के चल देते हैं. सेम थिंग, forming, starting, norming and performing, we have to perform the task, but later on in the performing task we have to go to the inertia, and then we have to perform the temporary task in which there are the 6 things to be there, sequence of actions. That is setting group directions, then phase of inertia we have to use it, then half point transition was there, major changes we have to put down, then second phase of inertia and the accelerate the activity, then we have to remain the groups to be there. So this is basically the norms is to be there. Now the group rules, whatever group rules. A set of expected behavior pattern attributed to someone occupying a given position on a social group. This is basically the group rules. Why we are the group? Because to develop certain tasks to be there in the institution. In the institution, different department was there. They are working like a group formation to be there. So group roles is to be there a set of expected behavior pattern. Whatever we are asking, we are expecting on the top level management, the group should be performed accordingly. Then the group identity. Identity. In every institution, this is to be there. Like in particular, if you have to come to the BBD, there are different groups, like School of Management, School of Architecture, this type of thing. And group identity, they are dealing with this type of activity, they are dealing with this type of thing, these are dealing with this type of. This is a group identity. They are different. Then role perceptions. They are certain. An individual view of how he or she is supposed to act in a given situations. Everyone is to be there. Like, we have to just put on the examples, the same inertia is to be there. Any activities to be carried out in our particular groups, in our particular department, in our particular school, in a particular university. You have to see down if the catering related activities come down, the hotel management will come down. If any publication, any type, this type of any print media is to be coming down, mass communication department to come down. These are the main constitutions, because whatever the role perception is to be there, because we have different types of groups, have different identity, different values and different roles. So accordingly we have to plan it. Now we have to come down the group structure. Now we have to go down the group structure. According to need, group structure. According to need, we have to how other believes a person should act in a given situation. This is the basically the role expectations. Role expectations. So in this we have to use the psychological contract and the role conflict. Psychological contract is to be there. An unwritten agreement that sets out when management expects from the employee and the vice versa. And in besides this, there are certain times we are feeling with the role conflict also. कि भाई मेरा क्या काम, अगले का क्या काम, एक ही जगह पे दो डायरेक्ट तो आ रहे हैं अगर तो. But in the institution, individual confirm that a divergent and expectation are different, जिसके लिए ये काम करने दिया जाता है. So we have to put down certain things. Now because whenever we are discussing how the things is to be group structured, we have certain put of the group parameters and the group norms is to be there. So whenever we are discussing, we are so when you are discussing of the group structure, acceptable is in this group structure, there is to be a group norms. There are certain group norms in every institution, in every organization is to be there, like performance norms. परफॉर्मेंस नॉर्म्स सबके नियम होते हैं और हमें उसे फॉलो करना पड़ता है। ऐसे ही ग्रुप के अपने नॉर्म्स हैं। ऐसा नहीं है कि हम बैठ करके हमें कुछ नहीं करना है, बाकी लोग काम करते रहेंगे, वी विल गेट डाउन द रिजल्ट व्हाटएवर द बेनिफिट इज टू बी। नो, देयर सर्टेन ग्रुप परफॉर्मेंस नॉर्म्स आर देयर, यू हैव टू अचीव, ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन शुड एक्सेप्ट द थिंग्स। मे बी परफॉर्मेंस मे बी अप्स एंड डाउन्स, बट एवरीवन हैज टू परफॉर्म। देन अपीयरेंस नॉर्म्स, एवरीवन अपीयरेंस, कैसा दिखना चाहिए उस ग्रुप को, कैसा दिखना चाहिए वहां के ग्रुप को, अकॉर्डिंगली वी हैव टू पुट डाउन द नॉर्म्स। सोशल अरेंजमेंट नॉर्म्स, हाउ social arrangements in any condition is to be there, how we have to arrange the probabilities, and allocation of resources. Allocation of resources, it's not necessary कि we are a single one is to be there, we are a small group was to be there, so we have to give down the small amount is to be there. No, according to need, according to situation, according to positions, we should get down whatever the people is to be there. Otherwise we cannot survive the group in a very particular way. We have to need it to be there. Then accordingly we have to build the conformity, because adjusting one's behavior to align with the norms of the group is to be there. And then there is also a need of the reference groups. So important groups to which individual belongs to or hope to belong with, the whose norms are likely to conform is to be there. So there's also the things to be there कि there's a different workplace behavior is to be there. According to need, according to situation, we have to develop certain group alignment was there. Then according to scene, we have to set down the things to be. So group structures, group norms, and group performances to be there. So this is the overall things, and we have to go through that. We have just checked down. Then we have the certain things कि हमें क्या करना चाहिए according to situation, according to norms to be there. Because there are certain things according to workplace behavior, we have to do certain, like in a production, if you have to leaving early, what the things to be. Once upon a time this can be happen, but not in a regular basis. Then according to property, we just think of this is our line about the work of studio. So according to that, we have to think of and rethink, because group structure, group norms, group behavior, this is the very proper time to be there. And then we have to carry on certain things like group structure, we have to put down. Then accordingly we have now group structure. Group structure we are doing. Now the status, that's one thing is to be there. Group status. Status. A socially defined status or rank given to a group or group members by others, because it is the group norms, group equality and the culture based system is to be there, by which group member structures can be accumulated and advertised is to be there. Then group, a lot of things has already discussed, a lot of things we have already told, you have seen a lot of department, you have seen a lot of expertise to be there. In the groups, we have to confine in that way, by which every system should be worked accordingly. Then social loafing was there, because the tendency of individual to expend less efforts when working collectively, that's why the group need is to be there. Then there should be a very good compositions like group demography, This is the degree to which members of a group share a common demographic attributes such as age, sex, race, educational levels or length of service in the organization and the impact of the attributes of to be there. Now, today we are discussing about the norms, about the group, how the group is to be there, how the group norms was there, how the group is to be structured, why the group is to be formed, and how we have to complete the things. So, we are discussing about the group cohesiveness and group norms is to be there. Group. We have already discussed about the group. Group is basically two or more person work assigned for the certain tasks to be there. We have already discussed about the formal and informal groups. Generally, in the informal and formal, we have to go down general nature. That is, informal is basically unofficial and formal is official. The motive behind it, why I am discussing about the formal and informal, because today we are discussing about group cohesiveness. And group cohesiveness, bonding, basically that is a natural bonding was there. Cohesiveness. So, before going to the group cohesiveness, we should know about how the group is to be formed. कभी भी आप लोगों ने कोल्ड ड्रिंक पीते होंगे, चाय पीते होंगे या whatever. So I am just telling about the natural tea, or we can say around property. Property we need milk and sugar with the tea leaves also. अगर ये सब चीजें उसमें पानी में हमारे एक साथ ना मिले तो क्या होगा? हमें सारे कलर्स अलग दिखेंगे. टी अलग दिखेगी, दूध अलग दिखता, वाटर अलग दिखता, दिस टाइप ऑफ. बट देयर इज ए कॉम्बिनेशन, कोहेसिवनेस, बॉन्डिंग, जिससे ये सब आपस में मिल जाते हैं और हमें एक नया टेस्ट या एक नई चीज मिल जाती है. तो दिस इज द मेन कि बिकॉज दिस इज ड्यू टू द फॉर्मल एंड इनफॉर्मल स्ट्रक्चर्स टू बी देयर. अगर फॉर्मल स्ट्रक्चर में वो कोहेसिवनेस अच्छी है तो वी कैन गेट वेरी गुड रिजल्ट्स. अदरवाइज इनफॉर्मल में लोग भागते हैं, इनफॉर्मल में जाकर के उनको वो चीजें मिलती हैं. देयर इज अ इनफॉर्मल ग्रुप इज टू बी देयर बिकॉज देयर इज अ पर्सनल स्ट्रक्चर, पर्सनल बेस वाज देयर, एंड अकॉर्डिंगली वी हैव टू सेट. सो ग्रुप कोहेसिवनेस is to group cohesiveness. Where we are discussing of the group cohesiveness, this is a degree to which group members are attracted. Degree to which group members are attracted to each other and are motivated to stay in the group. Because how we have to reach down. हम क्यों जुड़े ग्रुप के साथ, क्यों रहे ग्रुप के साथ? बिकॉज दिस नेसेसरी थिंग्स टू बी देयर. वी आर वर्किंग इन एन इंस्टीट्यूशन, वी आर वर्किंग इन अ ग्रुप लाइक मार्केटिंग, एचआर, फाइनेंस, एंड वी शुड बी देयर इन दैट वे. बट व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग विद द ग्रुप, इफ आई एम गेटिंग a certain cohesiveness, certain values, certain traditions, certain accepting traditions, so we will be there. We have increased the cohesiveness there, and we will remain in the group. We have just think we should be remaining in a part of that. So how we have to increase the group cohesiveness? Degree at which कहते हैं दो लोगों में रिलेशन अच्छा होना चाहिए, ठीक है, बट कितना अच्छा? एक दूसरे का बिल्कुल केयरिंग रखना चाहिए, एक दूसरे को समझ लेना चाहिए, एक दूसरे को जानना चाहिए. तो डिग्री इन विच एक फिलोसफर थे, उन्होंने एक के सामने एक बार ग्लास दिया, एक ग्लास ऑफ वाटर पूरा भरा हुआ था. उन्होंने पूछा ये बताइए ये गिलास कितना खाली है? लोगों ने देखा गिलास पूरा भरा हुआ था. उनका सर एक गिलास तो पूरा भरा हुआ है, कितना भरा हुआ है? परसेंटेज बताइए, क्या इसमें और वाटर पानी जा सकता है? लोगों ने कहा सर नहीं जाएगा. उन्होंने कहा ठीक है. उन्होंने ग्लास सामने रखा हुआ था, ही हैज जस्ट पुट डाउन ए ड्रॉपर, एक उन्होंने पानी भरा उसके अंदर, एक ड्रॉप डाला, वो उसमें चला गया, गिलास से पानी बाहर नहीं आया. अगेन दे हैव टू पुट डाउन वन ड्रॉप ऑफ वाटर मोर, अगेन द सेम कंडीशन, थर्ड में भी वही आई. बट जैसे उन्होंने फोर्थ ड्रॉप डाला पानी बाहर गिरा. मीन्स कोहेसिवनेस, बॉन्डिंग, नेचुरल थिंग्स, डिग्री is only up to 3 stage. 3 points तक उनके पास वो डिग्री थी, उसके साथ वो बॉन्ड कर गया, रुका रहा पानी वहां पे. लेकिन जैसे उन्होंने एक्स्ट्रा एडिशन किया वो बाहर चला गया. सो इंक्रीजिंग गुड कोहेसिवनेस, व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इन द इंस्टीट्यूशन, व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? सो इंक्रीजिंग गुड कोहेसिवनेस, इंक्रीजिंग कैसे पढ़ाएं हम कि लोग आपस में जुड़े रहें, लोग आपस में मोटिवेटेड रहें, लोग अपना काम करते रहें, लोग आगे बढ़ते रहें, ग्रुप का डेवलपमेंट होता रहे, इंस्टीट्यूशन का डेवलपमेंट चलता रहे, लोग डे बाय डे इंस्टीट्यूशन का ग्रुप का डेवलपमेंट, इंस्टीट्यूशन का डेवलपमेंट, वर्क का डेवलपमेंट, हमारा काम का ऑर्गेनाइजेशन डेवलपमेंट ऑलरेडी होता रहेगा इन द टर्म्स ऑफ द लीडरशिप बिहेवियर्स. So how we have to increase? Number first, make the group small. Make the group small. This is the general tendency. This is 100% proof is to be there. More person, more confusion. We are a teacher of philosophy there, but whenever we are discussing these things, to be more knowledge, more confusion, more person, more confusion. हर आदमी की थिंकिंग एबिलिटीज दूसरी होती है, हर आदमी अपनी नॉलेज के हिसाब से बताता है और अपनी एक्सपेक्टेशन से बताता है, तो जैसे जैसे बताता जाता है चीजें हमारे साथ में चेंज होती चली जाती हैं. सो फॉर द गुड कोहेसिवनेस वी शुड मेक द ग्रुप स्मॉल. अब हाउ स्मॉल इज टू बी द ग्रुप साइज? इफ यू हैव टू एक्सपेंड द हाइट, भाई हम कहां तक जा सकते हैं? तो हम ये देखते हैं, हम यहां तो मेरा हाथ जा रहा है, मैं इसके आगे यहां इसी पोजीशन पे खड़े खड़े इसके आगे नहीं जा पाऊंगा. दिस इज माई ग्रुप साइज. Same thing. Any manager, whatever. Group size is totally depend on the manager's ability and the departmental flexibility is to be there. The manager may be handled 50% easily. He may be abilities to be there. But if a new manager was there, he may handle only 1 or 2 or 3%. Maybe possible 20%, maybe possible 10%. So in that, their knowledge, skill, attitude, desire, behavior is to be played a vital role. How much he has to handle the thing. That is known as a group size. Group size. How much group size should be there? It is totally depend on the organizational need and the desirability to be there. And also the manager's abilities to be there. So for the increasing of group cohesiveness, we should get the group small. Then encourage agreement with group goals. Encourage agreement. Encourage karna. We have to encourage agreement. Group goals. Because in every department, if you want the salary, so you have to perform. I'm not telling anything how much you have to perform, but you have to perform. For this, you have to give a encouragement. Agreement should be there. Then increase time members. Third is increase time members spent together. At least 2, 3. Increase time spent. Increased time spent together. Then only your group becoming more and more cohesive. Next, increase group status and admission difficulty. Group status. If your group status, how this Facebook is doing? Facebook जो है वो अपने जो मोटिव था जो भी कि everyone should be member of the Facebook and then they have to increase the thing. Now the Facebook and WhatsApp, they are increasing day by day because this is the prime things if you have to look after. Why this thing is to be careful? Because it increases group status and the admission difficulty. Everyone can be entered, everyone can be exit. This is the main. Then increases viability, acceptance. सब लोग उसको जानते हैं, सब लोग समझते हैं, सब लोग इंक्रीज करते हैं. Then stimulate composition with other groups. दूसरों को देख देख के हम और एक्टिवेट होते जाते हैं. We have to stimulate the things and then our group is showing the table. Definitely a very good model role was there. Then give rewards to the group, not individual. Whenever this thing, usually you have to see down. This department win this trophy. Even in school, colleges, you have to see college win these things. Individual was there, but when we have to give the final trophy, we have to give the first runner, we have to give the schools, because it will show that in this group, these are the members who want this type of efforts to be there. So their individual effort should be motivated, it should be accepted, but the reward should be given on a joint basis. Then only group cohesiveness should be increased day by day, their bonding energy will be increased day by day, and physically isolate the group. We have to always emphasize that physically everyone should be increased in that way, by which they have to go physically, because day by day, as and when there is a group cohesiveness required, the high and sure will. Now if you have to put down a small chart was there, how the group cohesiveness interact in performance norms. If you have to put on the performance norms here, performance norms and the cohesiveness. Cohesiveness. So this is like as we have to just pattern like this is low, this is high, this is high, and this is. If you have to look up these things, productivity. This is like cohesiveness in productivity. Productivity. तो अगर हमारे यहाँ लो प्रोडक्टिविटी है, दिस इज द लो प्रोडक्टिविटी, एंड दिस इज हाई प्रोडक्टिविटी, दिस इज लो नॉर्म्स, हमारी बाइंडिंग एनर्जी अगर कम है तो दिस इज द लो प्रोडक्टिविटी, एंड दिस इज मॉडरेट टू लो productivity. So main बात कि how the productivity is to be there. If our group cohesiveness is not up to the mark, our productivity will always drop down. So in this, when we have to put down कि how the group is to be there, so accordingly we have to carry on, because whenever group norms was there, group status, group settlement, we have to put down the norm system. Because without group status, group norms, we cannot be carry on accordingly, and then accordingly we have to structure the things, because as and when the system was there, then we have to follow the norms is to be there, because group cohesiveness is essential part of that history, and then only we can say down if the group norms, group cohesiveness, group structure, group values, then accordingly we have to put down. But whatever the things, other things is to be there, which is group cohesiveness and group norms. Affected is to be there. The main thing is organizational strategy. This plays a vital role in that. If we have to influence day by day, we have to influence the group, we have to influence the person, we have to influence our mission objectives, definitely we have to put on a good bonding energy and good group structure and group norms. Structure also. Then authority structure. Where we have to report. We mean whatever the subordinate is to be there. So leadership in that way, the authority should be very, very clear. Everyone knows where he has to report, where he has to come down the result. Because then formal regulations. For the entry, there should be a formal regulation. It's not a so typical was there. Because if the norms was to be so typical, no one can be adjusted accordingly. Then system should be as per the vision, and our group should be motivated according to the mission. Day by day, then we attain the vision is to be there. Because as and when the process will be started, definitely we will go accordingly. Then organizational resources, whatever the organizational resources is to be there, organizational resources, everyone should get whatever the requirement, whether you are a small department, whether you are a big department, whether you are structural, but need and use it. Then performance education and reward system should be clearly applied. Performance system and reward system should be efficiently applied for the group cohesiveness. Because if I am weak in certain parameters, certain knowledge, so the organization should try to give them that type of education, that type of knowledge, that type of training, that type of development, by which our group can be enhanced day by day, or later on we can prove that now we are not a burden on the institutions to be there. Then organizational culture, because culture is always immutable, always changing traditions of stability. Organizational culture. कल्चर ऐसा नहीं है कि हम आज बना रहे हैं तो वो कल नहीं रहेगा. No. Whatever the culture we will develop from the today's scenario, after seeing our past hindrances, our past performance, so day by day we have to develop that. Then physical work setting, we have to plan it accordingly. Then only we can say down if this is the physical work standards to be there. because everyone want to do the work. Whatever the person enter in the institution, they want to do the work, and they have to encourage the workers to be there. Because whatever the group member is to be there, they have the ability. That's why they are in the institutions. And the second thing is personality. तभी आपने उनको select किया है. If you have selected the person is to be there, so definitely this is the main point. In the multinational companies, certain multinational companies, I have the certain case studies I can just show down later on to be there. You just go down. अगर उन्होंने किसी एम्प्लॉय को अपॉइंट किया और 1 साल के बाद उसको सेपरेशन करने की सोचते हैं, तो उसके पहले जो उसके टॉप लेवल के मैनेजमेंट ने उनको अपॉइंट किया था, उन्हें उसका रीजन देना पड़ता है, शो बहुत. और वैसे उन्हें एक शो कॉज नोटिस ही मिलता है कि या तो वो एम्प्लॉय बहुत अच्छा था जब आपने उसको अपॉइंट किया और आपने उसकी एफिशिएंसी को प्रॉपर्ली यूटिलाइज नहीं किया, जिसके कारण वो एम्प्लॉय काम नहीं कर पा रहा है ठीक से. इसका मतलब है आपने उसका कैरियर तबाह किया. तो व्हाई यू आर देयर इन द इंस्टीट्यूशन? बिकॉज यू हैव टू गिव अ क्लियर एक्सप्लेनेशन इन दैट वे. So in a certain multinational companies, certain professional managed group was there, जहां एम्प्लॉय की एंट्री तो आसान होती है, मेरे एग्जिट बहुत डिफिकल्ट होती है. हम लोग सोचते हैं ऐसा. इन द गवर्नमेंट इंस्टीट्यूशन आप लोग कहते हैं गवर्नमेंट की जॉब सिक्योरिटी है, बिल्कुल ठीक है, क्योंकि वहां पर हटाने से पहले इतने नॉर्म्स खड़े कर दिए जाते हैं. एम्प्लॉय को आपने अपॉइंट क्यों किया? या तो कहीं से आप गलती करके लाए हैं. तो दिस इज द मेन थिंग इज टू बी देयर, व्हाट आर द पर्सनालिटी इज टू बी देयर. सो अकॉर्डिंगली देन group cohesiveness, we are discussing about the group cohesiveness and the group structures. In the group structures, we have to put down the complete thing was totally on the leadership, and we have to go on the role in ambiguity, because certain things now in the last things what we have to do about group cohesiveness, we have developed certain norms, because certain norms, accepted statements made by group members should be clearly avoided. Whatever the things was there should be tell only this. Now nothing is to be, because in the institution nothing is personal, everything is professional. आपके informal group पे this can be applied, but for the particular formal group this is never applied accordingly. Then critical events in the group history should be known by everyone कि हमारे यहाँ ऐसा होता था, हमारे ऐसा हुआ था, हमारे ये रिजल्ट्स आए थे, हमको इसको बेटर करना है. तो day by day for group cohesiveness and the group structure management we have to put over things. Then privacy should be there. This is the main one. Then carry over behavior from past situation. This should be also go on. Then the main thing is to be there in the group task, in the group norms. We have to look after certain activities also, because the image of the group possess on the group's performance, and the member satisfaction is moderatory by the clerks of the group of them. Like अगर आप लोग जनरल देखेंगे, कहा जाता है प्राइमरी टीचर्स गवर्नमेंट में ये लोगों को इतनी सैलरी मिलती है और काम नहीं करते. दिस इज नॉट द राइट थिंग. वॉट एवर दे आर गेटिंग, everyone is justified their job is to be there. Particular, if I am working with the BBD, I am justifying my job is to be there, then I have to do this. So each and everything is to be very, very prime to use. So regarding when we are discussing group norms, group behavior, group architectural, so each and everything is to be beneficial. That is everything. So whenever we are discussing, whenever we are lodging, we are thinking, so everything in the group system, we are not alone. This is the prime thing you should always remember, because group cannot be formed alone. We need at least 2 people to form the group. So we respect our dignity, our admiration, our abilities to be there. So now this is the concluding session was there. So in which we are discussing about the groups, group cohesion, group norms, and the group values. Group is the need of the institution, and day by day this is to be developed by our efforts, like our means, our employees' effort is to be there. So group cannot be formed in just one day. We can abolish, but in certain group system is to be there, we have to follow accordingly. Right? For the group cohesion, we have to bond each and everything. We have to follow certain rules, certain regulations we have already discussed.